Welcome to Journey to Greatness, your go-to source for motivation and inspiration. Our channel is dedicated to empowering you with powerful stories, tips, and speeches that ignite your passion and drive. Join us on this journey to unlock your full potential and achieve greatness in every aspect of your life. Do subscribe my channel for more motivational and inspirational videos. Hey, today I want to talk about the value of education. Education is often regarded as the cornerstone of personal and societal development. It is the key that unlocks countless opportunities and serves as a foundation for a fulfilling and successful life. The value of education extends far beyond the classroom. It shapes our mind, nurtures our potential, and enriches our communities. Firstly, education empowers individuals with knowledge and skills. It equips us with the critical thinking abilities needed to navigate the complexities of the world. From reading and writing, from advanced scientific concepts, education provides the tools necessary for intellectual growth. It fosters curiosity and a love for learning, encouraging us to question, explore, and innovate. Through education, we gain a deeper understanding of the world around us and develop the capacity to contribute meaningfully to society. Moreover, education is a powerful drive of economic success. It opens doors to better job opportunities and higher earning potential. In today's knowledge-based economy, employers increasingly seek individuals with specialized skills and advanced degrees. Education enhances our employability and provides the means to achieve financial stability and independence. It also drives economic growth by fostering a skilled workforce capable of innovation and productivity. Beyond economic benefits, education plays a crucial role in promoting social cohesion and equality. It is a powerful tool for breaking the cycle of poverty and reducing social disparities. By providing equal access to quality education, we can empower marginalized communities and promote social mobility. Education fosters inclusivity and understanding, breaking down barriers and building bridges between diverse groups. It cultivates empathy, tolerance, and respect for others, essential qualities for a harmonious and just society. Education also contributes to personal development and well-being. It nurtures our emotional and social skills, helping us to develop healthy relationships and a positive self-concept. Through education, we learn to set goals, persevere in the face of challenges, and build resilience. It provides a sense of purpose and direction, guiding us toward a fulfilling and meaningful life. The lifelong learning encouraged by education promotes mental agility and adaptability, essential traits in an ever-changing world. Furthermore, education has a profound impact on public health and well-being. Thank you for being part of Journey to Greatness. Remember, greatness is within your reach. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and keep pushing forward. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Together we can achieve extraordinary things. See you in the next video.